Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover a disabled Instagram account using a browser. If you see the message, your account has been disabled, don't worry. First, make sure you're connected to a strong internet connection and turn off any VPN if it's turned on. Now let's go to the official Instagram help here. Then click on it. Then you can see an option called My Instagram was deactivated. Then scroll down until you see the appeal form. Here, this one. Click on the form and now fill in your full name, Instagram username, and the email linked to your account and a short explanation that your account was wrongly disabled. Do not put any fake information, otherwise, it won't work. Be careful, be respectful and accurate. Once filled, click submit here. This one. Instagram will usually respond by email within a few days. If this doesn't work right away, try again after 24 hours. Make sure you're not violating any Instagram policies and check your inbox for follow-up messages. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching and good luck with your recovery. And let me know in comments if this worked.